I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the exact gift card you need and the purchase channel. Choose retailer carefully. Once chosen, make sure you have payment, an email address, and a phone or camera to capture receipts. Start the purchase now, complete payment, watch for an activation step, and save the transaction number. You do this because the card number often appears only after activation. Keeping the receipt and a photo prevents lost digits later. Once done, move immediately to locating the number. You now find the gift card number and any PIN. Look under the scratch-off on a physical card or in the email/SMS for an e-gift. Once located, verify the serial and transaction ID against your receipt. This prevents using an unactivated or duplicate code. Make sure to photograph both sides if physical. For e-cards, save the original message and any PDF. If activation failed, note timestamps and the payment confirmation. These details are crucial when you you finish by redeeming the number at checkout or adding the card to your digital wallet. Then immediately check the balance to confirm success. Once redeemed, store the code securely. Use a password manager or an encrypted note so you can retrieve it later. If the number is missing, covered, or shows zero balance, contact the retailer with your receipt, serial number, and photos. This is your best troubleshooting step. If support asks, provide timestamps and payment proof to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.